Magandang araw, mga panatiko ko sa NBA, pangongolekta ng NBA cards. So, bubuksan na natin ang last pack. No? Bubuksan na natin ang last pack natin for our 21 mystery packs. So, this is our 21st pack, no? 21st mystery pack. So, bubuksan na natin ngayon. So we have four, no? We have four good packs, okay? Four good cards. Ano natin? Okay, let's hope and pray that this would give us better upside. The first card is a rookie card. Okay, playing for the Miami Heat. Precious Achiuwa. Rookie card. Nice, no? Magagandahan kasi nitong rookie card. Hintayin po ba yung upside nila? You're hoping na magkaroon na ng upside. Kalimitan naman, nagkakaroon sila ng break mga between 3rd to 5th year, di ba? After that, kung wala talaga, yun, natitrade na, hindi na nakakapirma ng so napupunta na sa ibang So may upside, okay? Next card. Oh, ito, magaling to. Ito yung nagtatap sa Brooklyn Nets ngayon. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. Rookie card ni Cameron Thomas. Cam Thomas. Okay, rookie card niya, oh. Ito yung nangunguna sa sa Brooklyn Nets ngayon together with with Cameron Johnson, no? Okay. Nice. You have a good card. Oh, another good card. Recon, a Panini Recon. A Panini Recon for Chicago Bulls. Their point guard, Kobe White. Wow, nice. Ito yung sinasabi ko na minsan kasi hindi nagpapakita or hindi talaga maganda pa yung niya from college. So, hindi siya nabibigyan ng magandang break pa, especially in the first year, second year. Pero after some time, bibigyan ng ng magandang playing time, yun, lumalabas yung kaya ngayon. Ito yung example si Kobe White. Ito rin, pangalawang example to. Playing for Toronto Raptors and now playing for the New York Knicks. He was really traded to the New York Knicks. So he was really asked to be with the New York Knicks. At maganda ang upside nito. OG Anunoby. It's an obsidian, no? It's an Panini obsidian card. So mga variant to ng mga cards niya. Nice, oh. Nice. So yun, ito yung mga magandang obsidian yan. So yan. Used to be with the Raptors, trade siya last year ata. So yun. So we have really four good cards. 2 rookie cards. And yung dalawang card naman is soon to be superstars, no? Or touted to become superstars. So we have a good card. So that's it, guys. That's it for our mystery packs. So our next pack would be an all-star, all-star stars inserts, no. So we will pre-select, no. We will pre-select and we'll see. So let's see that tomorrow, okay? So that's it. Please like and share and follow my channel. Okay, if you have some comments, please comment below. So God bless, guys. Ciao. Let Nick out.